Be ready. Start. Dear Sir Para, we are glad to know from your advertisement in the daily newspaper of yesterday that you are in search of a reliable firm in this city having a really good connection with leading concern in important towns in North India, willing to act as agents for the goods you are dealing in, such as toys, soaps, and a variety of other novelties. In this connection, we shall be pleased to offer our services. Para, you may possibly know that we do a large business in all of your class of goods, and as we have been in this field for the past 25 years, we have many old and valuable customers everywhere in this part of the country, and we are quite confident we could do a large business for you. We have large showrooms situated in a good central position, fitted with electric lights, and we assure you that your goods would be displayed in a pleasing and effective manner. Para, at present we have 6 salesmen, each of whom would push the sale of your articles. We feel honestly that visit to our premises will convince you of the benefits you may derive by our service from the sale of your products. Para, the terms on which we would be willing to take the agency are commission of 10% on all orders, pocket expenses of our salesman to visit different centers, rent of building and advertisement charges. Para, other aspects to which we wish to draw your particular attention are that supplies against orders should be regular, prompt, and packing should be perfect to ensure that goods are received in good condition to prevent unnecessary future correspondence. We are in a position to give excellent bank references. Para, we shall be glad to hear from you if our offer meets your requirements and way, and if you will be willing to enter into an agreement with us. Yours faithfully. Stop.